Hello Zimbabweans, my name is Terence Kare. Some of you know me with the Chitaitai brand, but as of today, I'm now taking this opportunity to introduce the TradeChem. Under TradeChem, we have a good product, floor glaze. So it's TradeChem floor glaze, which is an amazing product, and also its effect on how to use it is amazing. All right, follow this simple instruction. How to use it? You simply need to mop up your floor. Make sure the floor is clean, the water is dried up. Take a bottle of floor glaze, you pour on the floor a little bit, not pouring as in pour, but some drops. Use an applicator or a smart dry cloth to apply. Leave a thin layer as much as you can, then leave it to dry. That is how you use TradeChem floor glaze. Why go for floor glaze? Floor glaze is a smart way of cleaning, and it's very easy to maintain as well. You just need to have your floor glaze applied once a week. How? You just need to apply on Monday or whatever the day it might be. Then you take some days, at most 7 days. This, we call it Chem Pvt. Once you have this jute ratopera, ungozora ka 1 wozozviona futi after 7 days. Inogara kana wazora ka 1 uye inoramba ichipenya, unonge makuzongoklina zviri nyore uye zvinoramba zvakadaro. Kana yadzikirawo pama high traffic unogona kudzokorora. Saka sei floor glaze iyi yakanyanyonaka ndechekuti 1 haina lebo. Vana gogo vanogona kutomika sure kuti vangomopa zvaoma voto apply, hapasina kurovana nebrush. Saka under TradeChem tine black. This black inoshanda pacement floors, inoshanda kuti pamatiles akadaita black aya iyoyi, uye ine lavender. This lavender inoshanda kuti pacement, wooden tiles uye nesama ceramic tiles. Inoshanda kuti pafurniture. This is lavender. We have red, we have wooden tiles akaita red, munogona kushandisa this one as well. Munogona kuti kushandisa pamacement floor. This is good, suitable for those floors. This white, milk white, universal, inopinda pese pamunongo, kana ari matombo inopinda, kana pari zvakaita zvidhina, kana papende pages inopinda kuti pawood, inopinda zvakare pama-tile. So under floor glaze, under TradeChem floor glaze, we have it all. The quality is our first priority, and we say excellent is our standard. Thank you.